Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can download and install Microsoft Excel for free and legally. So in this video, I will show you two ways. First one, if you have Windows computer, you can go to Microsoft Store. Then you just need to write Office 365. Then, as you can see here, we need to wait for a couple of seconds, but you should see a Microsoft 365 Office for me is installed, but if you do not install it, it will be free. It will be here free Word, right? I already got it, so I just need to open up. And then, as you can see here, there is an Excel that I could use, right? If you, for example, Mac user, and you don't have a Microsoft Store, what you can do here, you can open a browser. You just need to write Office 365, then click on the first link, log into your account, and then you will have Excel here, right? Completely for free. You can use it. You can do whatever you like. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.